Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my first episode of unboxing gifts. And the first episode today tonight we're gonna be unboxing gifts from Egypt. Okay, so here's the bag that came in. Advanced plan. Pretty cool. But I'm gonna start with the Quran. The blue cover. Okay. Bismillah. Okay, let's see what color the leaves are. Ooh, that's nice. Got a little bookmark too. Ooh, mashallah. Okay, what? I opened up Surah Yunus. Okay. Okay. This is pretty cool. So it's got a gold cover. I'm probably gonna read Surah Fatiha right now. What's that sound? Anyways. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Okay. I'll simply start. Gotta keep it sealed. Okay, next. Okay, the first item in the bag is, whoa. What are these? Does it even have a It says Carlos. What is Carlos? What is this? 42, 43? Okay. I guess these are. Why does it say Balenciaga? Yo, what are these? Like. Hold on. Let me do a height difference. Okay, so this is me standing without the shoes. Okay, and then this is me with the shoes. This is like an inch of height on me. And this feels like I'm wearing an astronaut suit, yeah. But it's pretty cool. Okay. Put that to the side. Next gift. Whoa. Yo. I didn't know Egypt had Apple Watches. It's got a heart rate too and the time. It's pretty cool. And it's 10 o'clock. Okay. That's a cool gift. I'll put that to the side as well. Next gift. This is a nice bag. Turkish Airlines. I wonder what could be in here. Probably stuff from the plane. Ooh, what is this? A bandana? Oh, these are socks. Pretty cool. Okay. That's nice. I mean, socks are socks, okay? If your feet are cold on a plane, just what the heck are these? Yo, are these actual slippers that fit in a bag? Okay. There's two of them. Nice pair. I don't know why would you need this on a plane, but okay. Sleeping mask, straight obvious. Earplugs if you're tired, and then what is this? Toothpaste? You read that? Okay. And then we got a toothbrush that's covered in plastic. Not the best thing. Okay, I'll put these away. Not bad for a plane set. Got socks and sandals. My feet are going to be very warm in Turkey. Okay. Off to the next gift. What is that? Yeah, what is this bag? Yeah. Are these cough drops? Oh, these are contacts. Oh. Sorry guys. I might be a little slow, but how many is there? There's 3 in here. Hey, I get to look like this for the next 3 months, probably. Yeah. Okay, that's really cool. I've been wanting contacts for a while, and I think I broke it. Oh no, I'm good. Technical difficulties, guys. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, we're gonna be going on to the next gift. That's inside. Ignore that. Okay, awesome clothing. What is this? A jersey number 10. I think this is gonna be Mbappe. Ready? Watch me be right. Oh, it's Musala. Hey, let me try it on. Poof! I got it. Ooh, I'm feeling that tough on this. No, I don't know why this guy thinks he's. Bro, this guy is a grown man and he plays soccer, bro. You gotta play something else, buddy. You get. Okay, we're on to the last gifts. I think. Yeah, this is nice. Probably saw you with this. Hold up. Let me try this out. Let's do a nice transition. Ready, guys? Holy man. It took like 2 minutes to put this on, but the transition was like 1 second. So like, what do you guys think? Does it look good on me? Yeah. Okay. Let me do 360, guys. Smash. Okay, so now I'm gonna put on everything that I got and see how it looks on me. Ready? Okay, so right now I'm putting on quite literally everything, and it's not bad. I mean, let's finish this, but it feels really comfy right now. I feel really warm. I'm not putting the toothpaste, the toothbrush, the earplugs, and the wait, let me put this on. Wait, this might actually look so cool. Hold up. No, hold up. I look so stupid right now, I know. But I'm gonna wear this watch. I'm not gonna wear the contacts. That's what I'm not gonna wear. And then we'll just wear all of these things at once. For some reason, my mind just wanted me to do this. And my mind is very crazy right now. I'm low-key I'm about to go crazy. So right now, I got everything on. I got the socks, the sandals, the Balenciaga Carlos's, the Mo Salah, the watch, and sleep mask. That feels really, really, really tiring right now, but I did this for you guys. And don't forget, put Allah first. Always. Alhamdulillah. Yalla, my son, guys. Peace.